Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for a Monte Cristo sandwich. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we take a shallow bowl, and to that we're going to crack some eggs. Then we're going to add some natural yogurt. Some Worcestershire sauce, some English mustard powder, and some salt and pepper. Give that a good whisk grind, and we'll just pop that to the side. Now we bring in our bread. I've obviously used wholemeal bread as I'm trying to be a bit healthier. And to that we're going to sprinkle on some grated cheese. On top of the cheese we're going to add some cooked ham. And then some sliced baby tomatoes. Some sliced green onion, and some chopped spinach. Then we're going to top that again with a little more cheese. Put the top piece of the bread on and squeeze the sandwich together. Hi folks, if you're finding value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and I can make further videos for you. Now we bring back our egg mixture. Now we take the sandwich, we dip it into the egg mixture, turning it over to make sure that both sides are fully covered. So now that that's done, we're going to go over to our cooker. So we take a medium sized frying pan, we pop it onto a medium heat and we spray it with some low calorie cooking oil. Now we take our sandwich, which has been soaked in the egg mixture, and we're going to pop it into the pan and just let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the outside of it's crusty and the egg is cooked. Push it down just to make sure there's plenty of contact with the pan. So now we're going to spray the uncooked side with some more low calorie cooking oil. We're going to flip it over and we're going to cook again for another 2-3 minutes on the other side. As you can see now, our Monte Cristo sandwich is cooked. It's ready to serve. Just take it out of the hot pan, slice it down the middle. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my further videos.